Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to get access to ChatGPT 4 for free. If you're looking to boost your productivity and creativity with the help of a powerful AI language model, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT 4 is. ChatGPT 4 is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it a valuable tool for tasks like content creation, brainstorming, and even answering questions. And the best part? You can access it for free. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Forefront.ai. Head over to their website, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, and once you've verified your email, you'll be all set to start using ChatGPT 4. Now that you have an account, log in to Forefront.ai and navigate to the ChatGPT 4 section. You'll find it under the AI Models tab. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the ChatGPT 4 interface. Using ChatGPT 4 is incredibly simple. In the text input box, type in your prompt or question and hit Generate. The AI will then process your input and provide a response in the output box. You can use ChatGPT 4 for various tasks, like generating blog ideas, writing social media captions, or even answering questions about specific topics. To get the most out of ChatGPT 4, here are a few tips. 1. Be specific with your prompts. The more detailed your input, the better the AI can understand your request and provide a relevant response. 2. Experiment with different phrasings. If you're not satisfied with the initial output, try rephrasing your input or asking the question in a different way. And that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT 4 for free. With this powerful AI language model at your fingertips, you'll be able to boost your productivity and creativity in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.